Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a blog post grid in WordPress website with the help of Spectra page builder. So make sure that you have installed a plugin, and here you can see this one, Spectra free version. After that you can create a new page. So here I want to give a name, blog post grid. Then let me click on the plus button. Here you can see on the top left corner. Let me add a new container, and here I want to add a new row. So at this time I want to select one column row. After that search for grid. So you will find out different options, and here I want to use this one. Just drag it here. Make sure that you have created some blog posts. So let me go in the dashboard, and here you can see in the blog post section you can create many blog posts as you can. Alright, here you can see these are some dummy blog posts that I have added. And after that, now here you can see when I added this element post grid, then it will automatically add these blog posts. So you can scroll down, here you can see alignment options. You can align in the center, left, right. Then scroll down, here you can see you can apply some filters for the selected categories and tags. Then scroll down, you can remove some posts that you want. You can also set number of blog posts per page. So I want to set 9 blog posts on a single page. You can also select the order descending, ascending. You can also select number of columns in a single row. So I think 3 is the best. You can apply equal height options. You can also enable post pagination. So you can also customize the image. You can enable disable image. If you want to hide the image, just you can remove this one. So I think you should add image. Then here you can select the image size, and here you can see different options for the content. You can remove something that you want, for example comments, date, as well as different other things. After that you can go in the style tab, and here you can add a background color as well as column gap, row gap. So just here you can see you can increase and decrease the value. After that you will see the result. You can also customize the title as well as different other content and image. Then click on the publish button to see the final result. So let's view this page on the front end, and after that here you can see how it looks. So these are the blog posts that have no image. So all the blog posts have equal size except this one that have no featured image. So you should add featured image for each blog post.